When you look at other people living the life you dreamed for yourself, don't you wish you had that too? What if I told you that you have the power to manifest anything in your life that you may desire? It is all a matter of how you do it. If you happen to be confused, how do you manifest and will it really work? No worries, because today I will be letting you in on a secret on how exactly you can accomplish all your desires through the power of manifestation. Stay tuned till the end of the video to be able to manifest anything you want, whether it's a dream job, dream house, or a dream body. To start off, what is manifestation? If you've ever questioned why some people seem to have it all, it's likely that they have perfected this technique called manifestation. A technique I'll be teaching you today. How do you define it exactly? Well, it is the process of making a certain desired goal a reality by deliberate operation, steadfast belief, and concentrated vision. Many may think that manifesting is woo-woo stuff and try to convince you how it's not real. However, it's an effective instrument for establishing and achieving goals. Because at its core, manifestation is about visualizing the objectives you have for your life, having faith that you can make them come true, and acting in accordance with those beliefs to bring about the results you want. So is it possible to create anything you desire simply by having faith in it, or rather, manifesting it? Well, yes, to some extent. Although having faith is the main goal of manifesting, there is so much more to the process. It is not just some random act that you do in order to try to improve your life. There are several layers to the process, and I'll be telling you all about them. Be clear with your desires. Bring your desires into focus with steadfast clarity before starting your manifestation journey. Pick up a pen and some paper and spend some time getting lost in the process. Consider this piece of paper as the canvas on which you will paint a vivid vision of the life you wish when you sit down. Allow your mind to soar to the depths of a meaningful relationship or the profession you've always wanted. Transform your innermost aspirations onto the page by allowing your wishes to manifest in writing form. Throughout this creative process, remember to use the power of detail. Try to be as specific as possible when expressing your aims rather than settling for generic ideals. Instead of just saying, "I desire a successful career," try developing a more specific statement like, "I am committed to achieving an impressive six-figure income through guiding 5 clients by the end of this year." This change in wording not only highlights your tenacity, but also demonstrates how precisely you can see the result you want. Find your motivation. Engage with this key question: why? This will help you overcome the difficult path of your goals. You may discover the underlying motivations that drive your goals ahead by delving deeply into your wants. The route forward is made clear by this reflective trip, which also profoundly aligns your ambitions with your true nature. Think of this procedure as a compass pointing you in the direction of a true manifestation event. Pause to consider your sources of inspiration while you consider what you want in life. Are these desires truly coming from you, or have outside factors gently influenced your beliefs? Knowing where your ambitions came from gives you the ability to tell the difference between goals that are in line with your basic principles and those that may just be echoes. Tell the world and universe your desires. This crucial point is where you expand your dreams into the vast reaches of the universe. Imagine it as a profoundly moving encounter with the universe's powers that create our existence. It's a blank canvas just waiting for your brushstrokes of motive, and you have the tools at your disposal to paint your masterpiece. Each route has the ability to speed up your manifestation process, whether it be through quiet whispers of prayer, the peaceful depths of meditation, the private discussions inscribed inside diary pages, or the brilliant visuals of vision boards. Remind yourself as you move on in your steadfast confidence that your intentions have the inherent ability to cross the threshold between idea and reality. This is a declaration of your dreams, infused with the spirit of your determination, and not simply a lone remark or a transitory hope. Not every step of the procedure results in a declaration. Repeating anything causes it to beat with the rhythms of the universe, becoming the heartbeat of manifestation. You participate in a dynamic dialogue with the world by expressing your wishes several times over the course of the day and writing them down. This creates a link that gets stronger with each expression. Take action and align it with your goals. Manifestation is far from an automatic process. It is a dynamic and interesting trip. It thrives on the interplay between steadfast faith and determined action, a combination that gives your dreams momentum. You become the director of your own fate in this complex dance of purpose and effort. The art of action is the key to effective manifestation. Dreaming and wishing are not enough. You must put your objectives to reality by doing actions that are consistent with your aspirations. Consider faith as the bedrock and action as the framework on which you build the world you wish. This combination creates a potent energy that quickens your development and ignites the manifestation process. Overcome roadblocks. Obstacles are a necessary element of the trip down the winding path of manifestation. However, it's critical to realize that these difficulties don't always have to act as hurdles. Rather, they are stepping stones that encourage development and resiliency. Keep in mind that overcoming these obstacles may help you to strengthen your resolve and hone your manifestation techniques. The self-talk that is judgmental for yourself and the limiting thoughts that can take root in your mind are some of your most formidable enemies on this trip. These sneaky whispers have the power to elicit confusion and mistrust. Accept the power of mindfulness and encourage phrases to battle them. As a sentinel, mindfulness stands watch over the entrances to your mind. Develop the skill of objectively examining your thoughts so that you can reroute any negative ones. In the midst of mental confusion, this exercise provides a shelter of clarity. Visualize what you want. By implementing two powerful allies, the practice of visualization and the transforming power of affirmations, you can increase the effectiveness of your manifestation efforts. These practices become great resources for enhancing your experience as you navigate this complex world of intention and action. Visualization encourages you to enter the world of your dreams, much like painting on a canvas in your head. Think of it as a mental rehearsal in which you vividly picture the desired outcome. Engage all of your senses, from the fresh air brushing across your skin to the success-themed tune ringing in your ears. You actively participate in this mental tapestry as you immerse yourself there, shaping the features of your future rather than simply being a spectator. Your dreams will go from the abstract to the concrete through the process of visualization, which connects the unseen world of thinking with the observable world of reality. Acknowledge every step towards your goals. The practice of acknowledgement shines like a beacon on the curving path of manifestation. No matter how small, every advancement deserves praise. This method goes beyond the significant turning points and embraces the minute details that make up the cloth of your trip. By taking a moment to appreciate each step, you give your journey significance and enjoy the harmonious effort that brings you closer to your goals. A precious daily habit that enlightens your perception is developing an attitude of thankfulness. Write down 3 things you're thankful for at the present, whether it's the sun's warmth in the morning or a friend's laughter. By incorporating thankfulness into your daily life, you create a conducive atmosphere for optimism. As you practice thankfulness, you speed up the process of manifesting your goals, as if you were tuning the strings of a cosmic instrument to suit your preferences. These were just some of the main steps that will guide you in your manifestation journey. Our ideas, feelings, and deeds come together in a process that resembles a symphony to bring about the world we desire. It's about taking control of our own narratives, using intentional action as our paper, and steadfast belief as our ink. In this symphony, difficulties transform into springboards, difficulties into motivators, and goals develop into actualized realities. I wish you the best of luck on your journey and hope you achieve your goals. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on bell notifications to be notified whenever we post new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.